Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you can you connect an Apple Pencil to an iPhone. Let's get right into it. Alright, so the quick answer is no. Currently, Apple Pencil only supports certain iPad models. Both the first generation and second generation Apple Pencil are not compatible with any iPhone models, including the latest version iPhone 16. But why doesn't it work? Well, it comes down to hardware. The Apple Pencil relies on specific display technology found only in iPads, which iPhone doesn't have. So at least not yet. If you are considering a stylus option, there are alternatives available. Some third-party stylus such as Adonit or Logitech Crayon can be compatible with basic drawing and note-taking apps. While they may not provide the same level of precision or functionality as the Apple Pencil, they can still effectively meet your needs. Will Apple ever release a stylus for the iPhone? It's hard to say, but with rumor of bigger iPhones and foldable designs, who knows what Apple might do in the future. So that's the answer for now. There is no Apple Pencil for iPhones, but there are some alternatives to consider. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon for more tech tips and guides. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next one.